All right. So this would be a recap. Um, in the morning, I tried to go long on Qs, but it was a mistake, and it didn't do what I wanted to do. When I entered, I set my stop like at the open, but it open got ripped. It should have been upper here, and one short here, it didn't go anywhere. I was expecting this to crack and crap from here. This one was a big size, and then this one was a small size, and then starting from here, let me see. Starting actually from here, I started to go full size. So I started to go full size, and this one actually, this trade can be considered as a violation, because this violation I should have set previous lower than previous stop. But what happened is that, like, when I got in, I was already here, and then after it just gapped down at the top and it failed to go, the big bits came in, and then I had to close it. There was no print on the time and sales, but I got out anyway. So then this happened. I didn't capitalize on it, and then I showed it after it was like this. It was like this. So after I realized that, yeah, look at this. The POC is rejecting the most of volume is rejecting the price. It doesn't want to go higher, and after it closed lower, I went in, but a price was hesitating. It was not just going as I wanted, and then it didn't work, and I got out on that one. So then I started to trade Qs. Actually, I was trading TQQQ, and then I did a couple of them here. Like I went in and then got out, and then win again after it broke the HOD, and then pull back, and then I was below this level, but then with 1 cent, not even 1 cent, it's exactly low of this candle. The spread took me out, and then it took off, and I got in again, got some out of it. Here was a recovery attempt, and again I went in. I didn't like the price action, what and how it was doing. I got out. It continued to go higher, and you can see that this is over trading, but because I mean it's 1 minute, it's not over trading. 1 minute is a little bit noisy, but signals on 5 minutes were not as clear. So it was just two continuation on lower volume. You can see that the volume is declining. You can see the volume because it's going higher, so it becomes scary, and you cannot give too much room to the price. I did this attempt and burned my hand and went in, got out, and then this was my last out, and I didn't touch it. SPY, actually I'm negative on SPY. I mean I'm closing red today, so I'm red on everything. Q's long, Q and short both red. SPY long, SPY short red. So here it is. I'm SPY short red anyway. So what happened is, just you can see that I went long on a BHOD. The volume, look at the volume. Here's the interesting thing. So I went long, and then here 212 very short. I went short. I got this move. But then I got here up here. I should have just got out when I hit R3, but anyway, I got up here. I got out up here, and it was a big size trade though. It was a small size trade. So if all of them they were big size, I didn't need to close red and then to be in this situation and then continue trading. I got this long as well. It was all right. It's a 212 bullish, and then I got a 2-2 reversal. This is 3. It just didn't go anywhere. I closed it when it became a 3-2. 2 to the downside, but it's 2 failed. It's a nasty situation. I don't know what the hell even is that. It's just a 3, another 3. It's a 3, 2, 3. What the hell? I don't know. Forget about it. I closed my trade. Then I went short after this thing. It was a mistake. I should have shorted this one up here. But you know what I anticipated? this would be, look at this, short high volume, it went back up. So then it got here, and this is the third highest volume of the day, but look, we are all at the same area. So it's like maybe this is the beginning of the collapse and the drop. So let's go in. I went in, I got out, and then it went in again. I mean, I would get stop out anyway. Look at this, it wicked everyone from both sides. So, and then this is the range. I did another short, a couple of shorts, because it was the highest high. I shorted with big size, and you can see it dropped. It dropped, and I didn't capitalize on it. So then I tried here to go for BHOT. I didn't like the price action. It just it was not there, and then I closed as soon as it just pulled back down. And then here you can see that I tried again. It did a little bit of hesitation, and then took off without me. So this was the trades of the on spot and futures, and here you can see that on MU I did a couple of them. MU was ugly, like I forgot how ugly this thing traded. I totally forgot. After this range finished for BHOT on kicking volume, I went in. I need to say I have been struggling with hotkeys because I double click and then it doesn't take it. I don't know. Maybe I just need to put the emergency hotkey that I click and then it goes in. Anyway, so I went in late. I went in like 14 cents late, and then market instantly pulled back. This should instantly go, but the thing is, I closed this one red because it did a slippage. So here again, I went in. I didn't like the price action, got out, and you can see that this is just gonna be destructive anyway. I got in and then I got out anyway. This one just burned my hand, and this one was a full size, and this one is full size. And it's supposed to be full size. Yeah, this one all full size. So no XFIB and no CLF. Yeah, that's it. I trade 4 instruments, but basically it should be 3 instruments as SPY and Q. There were no stocks actually that I was super interested in, and that's it. It looks like market gonna go for another rally, but yeah, look at this 212 to the downside. It's a topping candle. Like if we had this one, like I had a topping candle and did range and then drop, and now we are already dropping down. Yeah. You can see the highest volume of the day is here, so people are profit, and then it could be just profit taking. Look at this. This is a pure iceberg order. Iceberg order at the same price, massive print. Look at the bid. It's nasty bid, man. It's nasty bid. Anyway, so I'm good. I'm closing with 1.5 hour loss, but that's it. That's about it. I cannot do more about it. Yeah, I'm back with the big size, and yeah, there's not much I can do about it. Yeah, you have a good one, and to tomorrow.